Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our today's first word is offer food. So, Gujarati we say bhog dharavo. So guys, you can see currently we have a couple of words regarding spiritual. When we go to temple or something, that time whatever words and phrases we used in Gujarati. So here I am giving you idea of it. Offer food. In Gujarati, we say bhog dharavo. Okay, this is when only we are offering food to God. Okay, in that way, when we are in temple or I mean even in home and offering food to God, that time we use the word is bhog dharavo. Chant mantra. મંત્ર જાપ કરવો. Okay, chanting mantra in Gujarati we say મંત્ર જાપ કરવો. મંત્ર જાપ કરવો. Chant beads. માળા જપવી. Okay, chant beads. માળા, so that's beads that called mala in Gujarati. Mala, and for chanting we say japavu. So because of we are chanting beads, we say mala japavi. Mala japavi. Apply vermilion. Okay, apply vermilion. You know that chandan tika, you mean in Gujarati we say કંકુ લગાવું. Okay, the tilak. કંકુ લગાવું. So કંકુ is that red tilak we called કંકુ, and to apply it we say લગાવવું. Okay, લગાવવું.
To watch the full video, find the link in the description box.